Hello everyone. So today we're going to solve systems of equations by graphing using Desmos. So now I put a link to Desmos on its learning. You can just click that. And then we're going to solve by graphing using Desmos. So if you have two equations, I'm just going to make them up as I go here. And you can just type these in using your Chromebook. Y equals 2x plus 3 maybe. So there's that equation. This is 2. Y-intercept is 3, so if we wanted to graph it by hand, we would start at 3, then we would go up 2, and over 1 to get our next point, 1, 5, and you could just draw the line with those points. Now, if you had a system of equations, that means you have two different ones. So let's say you have y equals negative 4x plus 9. So there's that equation, that blue line there. Y-intercept is 9, and our slope is negative 4 over 1. So as you can see, the solution to the system of equations is 1, 5. So you can do it by graphing. So your answer is 1, 5. That's where the two lines cross. So when we use substitution, when we used elimination, all that work was to get to see where the lines cross. So you can always check your answers using Desmos now to graph them. You can graph any two and see where they cross, and you can see if you did it right. But now on the test upcoming this week, if I give you these two equations and I say solve using substitution, you're going to have to show me some work as to how you did that in order to get credit. But you could always check your answer using Desmos to make sure you did it right. All right, so make sure you practiced in the past using substitution and elimination. But now, if you ever want to check your answers, or if it just says just solve anyway, I would recommend just typing them into Desmos and graphing. It works whether they're in y equals form or not. So if I had 3x plus y equals 7, it'll graph that for me. And 2 plus x equals y maybe, or something like that. You could solve those by substitution. But you can see right there where they cross, it's not a very nice answer. We probably won't have you do one like that using substitution or elimination. All right, so graphing is a great way to solve these or to check your answers if you do substitution or elimination first.